Hi guys! Today we will make a simple and tasty dish. You will only need some pasta, tomatoes, pesto, and a few basic ingredients. This dish can be made vegan using my recipe for vegan pesto. You can find it linked below. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this. Start with boiling some water for the pasta. Add some salt. About 2 teaspoons should be enough. Add 320 grams or 11 ounces of pasta. I used penne. Don't add any oil to the water. A lot of people make this mistake and it causes the sauce not to cling to the pasta. For the pasta not to stick together, you have to stir it often for the first few minutes of cooking, about every 20 to 30 seconds, and then stir it occasionally for the rest of the cooking. While the pasta is cooking, let's cut 150 grams or 5 ounces of cherry tomatoes in half. Let's also cut 1 small garlic clove into thin slices. Pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into non-stick pan and give it a few moments to heat up over moderate heat. Add the tomatoes. Season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Roast them for around 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the tomatoes start getting soft, add the sliced garlic and let it roast for another minute, stirring occasionally. Always add the garlic by the end of frying or roasting something. Fry it for only 1 to 2 minutes and avoid high temperatures. This is how you avoid burning it, and you really don't want that. Burnt garlic is very bitter. Let's check the pasta. I only use the time on the package as a suggestion. I usually get a piece of pasta and taste it. Just right. Let's drain them. Don't rinse the pasta. You want to keep the starch that's on the surface because it makes the sauce stick. While the pasta is still hot, add 3 tablespoons of pesto and stir to combine. Add pesto to your food once it's done cooking or it's just slightly simmering. Pesto doesn't like heat either and can get bitter. Now get your tomatoes and gently fold them into the pasta. Use a silicone spatula to get all the yummy infused oil. Looks beautiful. Let's just sprinkle some parmesan on top to make it perfect. You can also check out my vegan parmesan if you're vegan. Is there anything else you would like me to cook? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this. See you later!